Hello friends, I am Astro Pankaj Seth and welcome back to my channels. Today our topic is Moon and Mercury conjunction. Yesterday I was posted topic Moon and Mars conjunction. So before going to start, I have small request. If you like my astrological post, then please subscribe my channels to get the latest videos. As our topic is Moon and Mercury. Moon and Mercury is considered father and son relationship. Moon is considered father of Mercury. And here our traditional stories says that Mercury is the illegal son of Moon. So the point is, Moon having no enmity with the Mercury, but Mercury having enmity with the Moon. Means when the Moon and Mercury is associated, then Moon is not so much harm the Mercury, but Mercury is harm so much to the Moon. So the conjunction in the general point of view, it is not considered so much good. But in the Nadi astrology, Moon is the Man and Mercury is the Buddhi. Then it is also known as the Mana Buddhi Yoga. Means native may be intelligent or wise. And it has the second aspect, then Moon and Mercury is considered as a cheating yoga. So the impact will be depend on the others planet impact on this conjunction. So in the general point of view, I have said that native may be emotional in the natures, because the mentality Karak Mercury is getting the affected by the watery planet Moon. So native's mentality will be emotional. Native will be emotional in the natures. In the same times, he is a clever and intelligent. Native maybe looks handsome, just like a prince. Why? Moon is the Karak of Roop, and it is associated with the Mercury. Mercury is the prince, a charming prince. So native may be handsome in look. He will be look like a prince. He has a attractive smile, but he is a flirty in nature. Now, Moon and Mercury both doesn't have a stable mentality. So native may be fickle minded. Due to his fickle mind, he is not able to use his intelligence in the correct time and correct place. Sometimes we can say that native may be confused, or he has lack of decision making ability at the right time. What is the use of this point? The use of this point is when the Moon and Mercury conjunction is getting affected by planet like Jupiter, then he is able to the taking a right decision in right place. When Moon and Mercury is associated with the Rahu, then native will be so much confused. He doesn't have able to take a right decision at right times. Even the same results may be when the Moon and Mercury conjunction is associated with the Ketu. Moon and Mercury conjunction is indicating native may has scientific thoughts. He has some sort of unique qualities. He has very good understanding of the birds. In the charts, we also can say that native may have some sort of artistic talents. such as Nettie may be a very good comedian, he may be good in the poetry knowledge, Nettie may be famous or he may be fortunate. Nettie may be facing the blaming, he may be cheated or suffering from the cheatings. This is the impact of the cheating yoga. Apart from this, moon is the mother. Mother is associated with the Mercury, who is the intelligent planet. So his mother may be intelligent lady. In the another sense of the view, Mercury is the sisters, mother sisters, and it is associated with the moon. So we can say that his mother's sisters or Masi will be change his place. Native may has good intuition, but same times he may be suffering from the mental stress due to his emotional natures or restless mind. If this combination is not well placed, then it may cause for the mental stress, mental disease. He may have some sort of neurological issues. Native may have some sort of cough and bath related issues, especially in the issues related to the breathing, because moon and Mercury both are related to the our breathing organs. So if moon and Mercury is not well placed in the chart, so some sort of breathing issues is possible, such as some sort of issue in their lungs. He may be frequently suffer from the sinus or other such type of effect. Thank you. If you like my video, then definitely subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.